Welcome to the stream, everybody. How's it going? Welcome. Let me turn the music a little bit. Welcome in, MS. How you doing? Welcome in, Ruji. MS getting first. How's it going, guys? Welcome in. Today we are playing on the Block Wars X Lagundo event. I have a fucking pimple. You see that? Fucking pimple right there. I can't believe it. But I'm trying to figure out things out because we just got like this voice mod thing, and it's very, very confusing to me because it's not a mod. It's like a website. So we're all trying to figure that out. And I didn't have to set up, so I'm a few minutes late. I'm like 4 minutes late, but that's okay, guys. It's okay. We're here, and we're on time. It starts in 30-ish minutes. I'm glad you guys are all here. I need to pull up my Firefox so I can do the stream together thing with everyone. Because I don't think I can do that. Not now. On Opera. So let me put